This next video is from Senator John Cornyn.
Hi, I'm Texas Senator John Cornyn. Happy Juneteenth to all of you celebrating today in Galveston, the birthplace of this historic holiday. I say holiday even more proudly now because Juneteenth is officially a federal holiday, something I saw passed into law through Congress thanks to the help and vision of fellow Texans like Ms. Opal Lee. In both the history books and the hearts of Texans, this day is monumental as we celebrate the anniversary of enslaved Texans' emancipation and our nation's continued progress toward equality. As we dedicate ourselves to learn, educate, and celebrate the positive steps our nation has taken, like today's Juneteenth festivities, I hope we can continue to take steps in the direction of a more unified country. While I'm sorry I wasn't able to join you in person today, I take great pride in all that we have accomplished together to get this day recognized as a federal holiday. So once again, happy Juneteenth to all those celebrating there in Galveston, and now, because of our work together, all across the country as well.